going to try to draw a shark today. So I've probably drawn a shark on your hands. And Theo, have you ever drawn a shark before?
Yeah.
You've drawn a shark of your own? Okay, I'm gonna show you how I draw a shark. And we're gonna see if the kids wanna make one like that too. Okay? Okay. Okay, so we've got Theo over here and Ansley over here. All right, the first thing you do, start right here and draw a line up like this, straight up. Good. Okay, now we're gonna draw a diagonal line, and watch this. As I go down the diagonal line, I make a small hump, and I go a little further and make a big hump. Actually more of a small hump and then a big triangle fin on his back. Great. Okay, now come right here, and I want you to draw a big open mouth. All right, great. And then let's draw a short line. And then we're gonna come out and draw a triangle fin. Great, great. Actually, I might like yours better than mine. Let's draw a little bit of water underneath. Hey, yours is looking really good. Then we're gonna draw 3 slits right here. And then the most fun part is his teeth. These don't have to be real shark teeth. Sharks do have a lot of teeth, but they can be all kinds of choppy as you would like them to be.
Can't it be a nice friendly shark with a tongue?
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and make his back come back into the water right here. All right, then I'm gonna be sure to give him an eye. And then, since mine is kind of an angry shark, I'm gonna give him an eyebrow going down like that, like he's a little bit mad. And finally, I'm gonna do some little drops of water because he's jumping out of the water. Do you want any water for yours?
Oh, Mom, nose holes.
Nose holes. All right, that's good. Now, one other thing I like to do when I draw my shark, I like to give him some gums. I like to put a red line right here, and it just makes him look a little more ferocious. And I just like to draw the inside of his mouth like that. You can also give some blue to the ocean, or you can make him a blue shark too. If you'd rather him be a blue shark, you can make him a blue shark. How do you like that? Wow, I really like how your shark turned out. That looks really, really good. So yours has a shark with a tongue.
And it's a friendly shark.
I see, yours is a friendly shark. Mine's a little bit of an angry shark, but you can draw whichever kind of shark you want to do.
I want to add some stuff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What's that? Oh. Theo's shark says, hi. Let's see, what's mine gonna say? What do sharks say?
Go.
I'm gonna make mine say chomp. So Theo was smart to write his message first, and then he puts a circle around it and points it at his character.
Hey, Mom, how about some nose holes?
Okay, I do that sometimes. I haven't checked out shark noses so much.
2 little
All right.
dots, it'll be fun.
Perfect. Okay. Theo and I are going to show you our final drawings. Cool, and we would love to see how your sharks turned out. Good job, Theo.
Good job.